Da bin ich überlebend rausgekommen. Im Januar. Völlig matschlos.
Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. This motorhome is the Ilusion XMK740, 740 centimeters in length, on a Fiat Ducato. It sleeps 4, and now let's have a look inside it. Now for this you're looking at approximately 75,000 euros, approximately. You know, thing is with now with prices, I've always said in the past that prices are very difficult to say because it depends on equipment. Now it depends not only on equipment but the fact that they're going up every day. So anyway, so we've got 2 singles here at the back, and you've got also this enormous amount of storage under the bed, but that is just the beginning of the storage. Here you can have a even different look at it from this angle as well, and it's got a sensible sliding door to it. And down here there's access to your water tank. Okay, steps up to the bed with storage in them, and drawers here as well. Wardrobe. So as far as storage is concerned, it's pretty well equipped, and we'll have a look under this bed as well. So you've got you can see the drawer, and you've got even storage there as well. So to use a German expression, it's a bit of a storage wonder. Now you can close this via these solid doors. I personally would rather have a cloth door because in time I can imagine them rattling and making and getting, and when I'm driving, when one's driving, we can close the door here so you got the toilet in there, and we've got also so I'll open this if I can. There we go, storage there as well. And down there, oh look at all that, there's plenty of storage here. Now I'm going to go in the shower because it's a really hot day today, so let's go into the shower. Now unfortunately I'm going to find something wrong, and what I found wrong is the plug hole size. It's one of these ones, the smaller ones. I'm not so keen on them, and I do like to see 2 rather than 1. However, thanks to the this, I've got somewhere to sit down and clean my feet. I do like to sit down in the shower. For those of you who don't want to sit down in the shower, let's have a look at how much space there is. Look at all that. Right, I'm 1.75 m. Somebody was like 1.95 m, 2 meters even maybe. There's still space here in this shower, so there's lots and lots of room there, and look how much room there's that way as well. So that's quite good. You can see it has been recessed. There's a bit of a drop there, so you could fill, if you've got a plug, you just fill all this up with water and get some plastic ducts, and you'd have hours of entertainment in the shower. You can of course close the doors as I showed earlier, which although if you had the plastic ducts out, you know, you might want to get the whole family in as well. Right, let's come through here. Now face to face accommodation there. I like the colour scheme, but of course that's just me, and not everybody might like it. This table, as you can see, will move up and down, and as well as doubling in area. Is that the right word? Area? Yeah, I'll just so this comes up like this. Ooh, this should come out like this. Sorry, there you go. This has come out like that, and this comes like that. So you get this enormous table here. There you go. That gives you a better idea how big the table is. Also, the table will move around as well. So these tables are quite expensive. It's as you can see, it's the telescopic table. Oh, it's a bit stiff, this thing here. It's very stiff, in fact. So I think that might sort of with time it'll be less stiff. 3 burners here and a largish sink. We've got shore power and 12 volts there, and up here we've got more storage, as well of course as down here as well. Now second bed is above me, so we've got the lights, which I think look pretty good. So let's now go over to the key, which I put in here earlier. Turn the key around and I'm going to press the button. There we have the bed down. You can see how far it goes down, and you possibly, as for an adult, that would be difficult to sit at the table with the bed down, but it shows how far it goes down. Okay, mattress isn't particularly thick, and under the mattress we have the ladder. So, having seen how that works, I'll press the thing. No, I won't. I'll do it like this. I'm going to show you as it goes up at this angle. Now, how much space is under the bed? Let's see. There's me, 1.75 m, and that's how much space there is in the salon, the dining area, dinette, the table, however else I should call it. And there's the view looking down the vehicle. So I've given you so the positive points. I really like the lighting. This is just me, of course. Somebody else mightn't like the lighting. I think the lighting looks particularly interesting here, and the storage is really good. Table size is really good. They're the positive sides. I think what I would like to suggest though is that they, in the shower, that they put in different a domestic plug hole, and get 2 of them at that, as there is a domestic plug hole in the kitchen. So there, those ideas. Now, place to put your shoes in there, and let's have a look now at the garage, because I've been going on about how good the storage is, and let's have a look in here. Look at that. Huge amounts of space in this garage, and that is so the door is 108 centimeters by 68. Yeah, you can easily get a bike in there. And here we've got the water pump. Should you need to release the water, you would do it from here. And in here we've got access to this, so you can access from both sides. So I think that is pretty good in my opinion. I mean, the storage is great. So somebody's living, well, a couple of people, that would be really good. We'll have a walk around and have a look what else we can see here. And so you can see that the stands are being set up at the moment. And this one here, a 6-meter compact van with a big garage. And as this one here is open, we'll have a quick look inside. The 590, now I did one of a 590 about 3 years ago, and it's one of the most popular videos on my site. So it's an unusual design. They've taken the what do you call it, the bits that go over here away. You know why? Because they go missing. We've got a single bed here above the enormous table, and there we've got a deep shower. Unfortunately, still got the same plug hole. Fridge, which you can open 2 ways. Widthwise bed at the back, and here is your wardrobe with your gas got things in. Steps up to the bed, also work as storage. So I think this one here is quite interesting. And a garage as well. This is a one's been introduced here for the 2023 season. See this one in a different video as it's being cleaned up at the moment. So I'll come back to this one down here. So the Ilusion XMK740. So this is me at Dusseldorf Caravan Salon. Thanks for watching. Lots more videos like this on this channel, and all the best from me. So goodbye for now.